Problem statement. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target. Return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. And you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Example. Input nums is equal to 2, 7, 11, 15, target is equal to 9. Output 0, 1. Explanation nums 0 plus nums 1 is equal to 9. Constraints. To happy smiley lay, nums, happy smiley 10 4. Ten 9 happy smiley nums, I, happy smiley 10 9. Ten 9 happy smiley target, happy smiley 10 9. Most candidates fail this problem because they jump straight to code. We are given a list of integers and a target value. We need to return indices of two numbers that add up to the target. Brute force checks all pairs. Using a dictionary solves it in linear time. Define the function. Create dictionary. Iterate. Compute remaining. Check and return. Return result. Store value. Test function. Now let us run the code and observe the output. The output shows indices 0 and 1. Their values add up to the target.